Quick question. Have you ever used the camera tool in Excel? If you haven't, then you are in for an absolute treat because that's what we're going to explore today. Regardez. Now, the camera tool, if you've never come across it before, allows us to take a snapshot of some data and paste it elsewhere. But the difference between using the camera tool and using the screenshot utility is that if the original source data updates, then the data in the snapshot will also update. So this can be handy for creating dashboards or monitoring important data from multiple areas in a worksheet or even different worksheets. So in the spreadsheet here, I have just some random data that I've made up. This is expenses for different teams within different departments. Now, maybe I'm creating a dashboard just related to the sales team. So I want to come across to my main data set just here, and I just want to take a snapshot of the sales team expenses at the top here. This is where I can use the camera tool. Now, the camera tool is not that easy to find because it's not available on any of the ribbons. What you need to do is add the camera tool to your quick access toolbar, if this is something you think you're going to use frequently. So let's click the drop down. I'm going to go to more commands, and then we're going to go into, let's go for all commands. And this takes a couple of seconds to refresh, but all of the commands are listed in alphabetical order. So we just need to scroll down until we find camera. There it is just there. I'm going to click on add to move it across to the quick access toolbar and click on OK. So you can now see we have that camera icon on the QAT. So if I only want to take a screenshot of these sales team figures, and I'm going to include the headings in here, I would need to select the range, click on the camera tool, notice it makes a selection, and then I can effectively paste this wherever I like, either on the same worksheet, or I could jump across to a completely different worksheet, click once, and it's going to paste that in. And this kind of pastes in like a picture. Notice I'm now getting the picture format ribbon, which means I can utilize all of these delicious picture format utilities. So maybe I want this just there on my dashboard. Now check this out. Take note of the value that we have for Team 1 Q1. It's 1347. Now, if this was to change, if we go back to the original data source, and let's put this up to, let's say 5,000 and press enter. When we go back to our little screenshot here, notice that it also updates. So this is a great way of easily putting together a dashboard from a mixture of sources, but everything is still dynamic. Everything is going to update. And we love that so much. Have you ever used the camera tool? Let me know down in the comments. What do you think of it? Do you think this is something that you would find useful? And as always, like, share, comment, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.